Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Malamig. Malamig ngayon. Mahangin kasi. And 4:11 na. Time check. 4:11. Today is Tuesday. At 3 ng June. Nakakalahati na tayo ng taon. Everyone, counting naman tayo. And the weather for today is 12 degrees tayo. Kaya pala malamig at saka mahangin. Cloudy kasi ngayon. Ayan, mahangin. Gumagalaw yung mga puno. Mga hangin. Nalate ako ng Ayan lang everyone ng labas. Kasi alam niyo na, morning sickness. Okay, see you in 15 minutes walk and 1 bus everyone. Medyo maliwanag na ngayon ang umaga pagka ganitong oras. So, see you when I see you everyone. Wala tayong racket ngayon, Martes. Kaya straight ahead tayo ngayon sa bahay mamaya. Daan lang ako sa Sainsbury. Good morning everyone. Ayan mag-isa lang ako dito, naglalakad. I'm going to yung batch ko nauna nang umuwi. Umuwi. Nauna na kasi chikahan ako doon sa isang supervisor sa gabi, si Bani. Matagal na, almost 3 months siyang nawala kasi a lot of accident happened to her. So she's getting better, not still better. Getting better now. Kaya ayan, back to normal but in a slowly way. So that's it at the moment. Time check. It's 5:25. I'm going there to my area. See you later everyone. Just updating that my area is here. Malamig pa rin dito everyone. Cloudy and then 12. Mamaya ang highest is 18, so hindi masyado mainit. Yun lang, unlike kahapon. May araw pa rin pero mainit. Ay, malamig, sorry. Yun lang, bye at the moment. Dito nagkaroon ng event kahapon, yung graduation, kaya medyo busy sila. Ayan, good morning everyone. It's already 9:07. So, uwian tayo everyone. I'm nearly at the Kensington South Ken train station. Underground. It's underground. From the tip. Ayan. Yeah. So it's windy today and tiny rain. That's why I'm rushing to go home. That's it. Aray ko, nasuotan yung mata ko. Ang ano, going to Jubilee Line, everyone. Going home. Let's go home.
Is to Stanmore. Please stand back from the platform edge.
Crowded. Hello. Hi everyone. Daan tayo dito sa Sainsbury. I'm from... Yan. Magluto tayo ng ano. Lomi again. Kasi ayun oh. Grabe. Naulan. 8 pounds. Ang dami nila. Ayan, everyone. Tapos na ako sa Sainsbury. Ayan. Naabutan ako dito ng ulan. So, hindi pwedeng hindi magbubukas. At malakas. Basa ang aking katawan. So, ito lang. Everyone. At nakaano ko. Ayan o. Payong lumilipad. Dahil sa hangin. May ulan, may hangin. That's it. See you later everyone. Time check. 11:34 everyone. Kain tayo. Swak sa malamig na panahon. At may 1 litro. 1.5 pala to. Oh. 1.5 liter na water. And then ginger shoot. Ayun lang everyone. Good night. Ay, hindi pa. Mamaya pa. Sige, kain tayo everyone. Nakalaba rin ako. Ayan, isampay ko pa mamaya. At tomgolites na ang lola niya. Time check. 15:26. Ayan, 15:26. So, umuulan kanina. Pero, ayan. Kaya pala ang sarap ng tulog ko. Na naginip pa eh. Tapos ayan o, may ulan. Umuulan pala. So, ngayon, ng paglabas ko ay wala na. So, may araw naman. Yan o. O, diba? Tapos windy. Sorry. Tapos windy ngayon. Windy. Windy pa rin. Once in a while. Tapos, sumikat na si Haring Araw. Ang kailan paggabi na ba? Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Ayan lang everyone, ang update. Pasok tayo ngayon sa ating source of income here in UK. Hi everyone, dito na tayo. Yes. Sitting on my favorite chairs, everyone. Second train, everyone.
What's the gap between the train and the platform?
This is Finchley Road.
Sa dulo.
Find the gap between the train and the platform.
Tomorrow, Mr. Eading is back. Hello. There's a lot of mount. Bye. It's windy. 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 Andito na naman si Mr. and Mrs. Windy. Ayan everyone. See you later at the house. Home in home. Home in home. Everyone.
Siyempre, maglalagay tayo ng mantika pang prito. Yan yung sapat lang na bahagyang malublob yung mga chicken wings mamaya. Ito na bahagya ng mainit yung mantika.
Kain tayo everyone. Gabi na pero kain pa. Kailangan para may lakas. Good night. God bless. And I love you all everyone. Good night. Kain muna tayo bago matulog.